Hello friends, now we'll prove 1 is equal to 2. So first, if we think A is equal to B, then if we multiply both sides by A, so the equation be like, after multiplying A in both sides, so the equation is A squared is equal to AB. Now if we subtract B squared in the both sides, so the equation be like, so a square minus b square we can write in this form, and the equation ab minus b square we can write in this form. So here a minus b is common in both sides, so we can cut a minus b from the both sides. So the equation, after cutting a minus b, the equation be like a plus b is equal to b. As we take in the first a is equal to b, so we can write a in the place of b. So a plus a is equal to b. So the equation is twice a is equal to a, and then we can write 2 is equal to 1. So 1 is equal to 2. This is how we can prove a is equal to 2. But there has a problem in the total mechanism. If you can, please detect the problem. Thank you.